October 10th. This is Dave Dispinette with the Stock Playbook, giving you a little sample of what we do for our nightly subscribers, each night. You wonder, we give free trials. I think you should sign up. Why? We gift wrapped CVV for our clients 3 nights ago. This is the kind of stuff we're looking for. Okay, if you didn't own CVV, today gives you an idea of why you should own or have a subscription to the Stock Playbook. Let's talk about what I'm doing right now into this lift. If you've been listening to this video for a while, you should have been able to know exactly what I was doing today. We've laid out the game plan. We had a huge sell-off, which we capitalized. We said we were due for a bounce, maybe up to the 1080 area on the S&P. We'll get to that chart in a second. But all 3 indexes rallied above their 50-day moving averages today. First time in a while. No volume. No volume on the Dow Jones. The NASDAQ did the same exact thing. Let's just show that. No volume. Minuscule. I mean, you got to go back. July 4th holiday traded more volume than what we saw today. Today was Columbus Day. A lot of people thought the market should have been closed. Obviously, with a rally like today, I bet a lot of people in their 401ks are deciding they wish that wasn't the case. I wish it was closed because I'm leaning to the short side. But let's talk about today. We said we might get above that area just to try to set a bull trap. The perfect trap has now been set. Today we went up on the lightest volume we've seen in over a month in the market on news out of Europe that Merkel, Angela Merkel, and Nicolas Sarkozy have decided that they have made a plan to make a plan by the end of this month to recapitalize the banks. Pause for dramatic effect. Are you friggin' kidding me? That's why we ran today? Listen, I don't know why we went up today, but I can guarantee you that was not it because the market is not that dumb. There was no news out of Europe. A plan to make a plan to address, what is that? That's the craziest thing I ever seen. Market just continued light volume from the rally that it started. We have to start respecting this rally because I'm not. We just have to start respecting the fact that the Dow has gone up 1,000 points in a week. Okay? But so you know what I did today, I loaded the boat. I have a real tight stop in place, but I loaded the boat on SPXU for those accounts that can't trade the S&P E-minis. And I sold the S&P E-minis, to the limit. And I have a real tight stop in place, a move above that 1,200 level. But I think we're going lower. And it could be as soon as tomorrow. Only time will tell. I can give you stocks that I like. We like Joy Global and Halliburton. They worked. I'm out of both. I don't own a share of either one of them. Why? Because it's the trader's market until I feel differently. Trades are made to be taken and booked. CVV, I sold a little bit today as a matter of discipline. I continue to hold the rest. I'll see what happens. There's a lot of names we like. There's a lot of names we like as short candidates. You know them. Win has had a beautiful rally into a great area to short the stock. Apple Computer, AAPL, recaptured the 50-day light volume. Baidu, Priceline, Amazon. You got to sign up for a trial and see what I'm doing in the game plans. But you got a little taste, and so you have a little idea of what I'm feeling going forward. Have a good night. I'll talk with you tomorrow.